Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you my Nykaa Pink Sale haul. I purchased quite a couple of products from the Nykaa Pink Sale haul and I'm very excited to share with you what all products I've got. So let's get started. Now the first product that I've got is from the brand Bath and Body Works. I was very excited when I saw the Bath and Body products on the Nykaa website, and during the Pink Sale haul there was an offer going on, buy 2 get 2 on the brand Bath and Body Works. So I purchased 3 shower gels from Bath and Body Works and a body lotion. This is the body lotion that I purchased from Bath and Body Works. This is the 1000 Wishes Ultra Sheer Body Cream. It is a 24-hour moisture Ultra Sheer Body Cream. And these are the 3 shower gels that I purchased. The first one is the Rose Shea and Vitamin E shower gel. This is the first variant. I like the smell of this shower gel. It has got a very nice rose smell and I love the smell of roses inside this body shower gel. The second one is the Sweet Pea shower gel. The fragrance is not that strong. It has got quite a mild fragrance. And the third one is Beautiful Day shower gel. Now this smells like aqua and this smells so fresh, and I've used this up quite a bit because I love this shower gel. And amongst the three, the Rose shower gel and the Beautiful Day shower gel, these two smell amazing and the fragrance lasts for a pretty long time on your body. And the Sweet Pea shower gel, the fragrance is quite mild. It does not last for a very long time. However, if you don't like very strong overpowering scents, then you can go ahead with this because it has got a very mild fragrance. Now the next product is the Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow, and this is in the Tropical Days variant. I love the packaging of the eyeshadow palette, and this is a very good pigmented eyeshadow palette. Let me show you from inside, and the eyeshadow smells so amazing. I mean, you feel like eating them. This is the brush that comes inside the eyeshadow palette, and these are the shades that are present inside. I've used this palette and so far I have loved the eyeshadow. The shades are quite nicely pigmented and I love this eyeshadow palette. So yeah, this is the next product. Now the next 3 products are from the brand K Beauty. I've got the K Beauty Kajal, the K Beauty Contour Stick and the K Beauty Eyeshadow, and this is the Metal Show Eyeshadow Stick, and this is in the variant Temptation. The Contour Stick is in the variant Cocoa Focus. Kajal is in the Spade variant. These are what the products look from inside. I'm trying and testing out these products and I'll let you know how I feel about this product. So far I've used the eyeshadow crayon and I really love the pigmentation of the eyeshadow. However, I would like to say that these are very smooth and creamy and buttery soft. So if you apply a little bit pressure, then these do tend to break off. Otherwise, the pigmentation is amazing. This is what I've applied on my eyelid area, and I love this eyeshadow crayon and I love the color as well. This is the contour stick which I purchased. I love the shade of this contour stick and they are very smooth and creamy and they glide very easily onto the face, and you don't need to apply a lot of pressure in applying this contour cream on your face. However, you have to blend the contour a little bit more because they do require a little bit of blending with a brush, but this is a very good shade for my skin tone. I like this contour stick too. The next one is the Kajal. I love this Kajal because it is quite pigmented, it is quite black, and they glide very easily on my waterline and they do not irritate my waterline, and I absolutely love the Kajal from K Beauty. Now the next product that I have is the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, and I love the packaging of this face palette. This looks absolutely gorgeous. This is what the outer packaging of the palette looks like, and this is how the palette looks from inside. I'm in love with this face palette, and it has got 2 highlighter shades, 2 blush shades and 2 contour shades. I love each and every shade that is present in this palette, and I think this is a very versatile palette because you get 2 shades of highlighter, blush and contour as well. And it has also got a huge mirror, so that comes very handy when you are applying your makeup. So I love this face palette. This is my favorite face palette at the moment. And the next product that I have got is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. I really love this mascara. It gives me voluminous lashes, and this is quite a costly mascara, but I love this mascara a lot, and this is a very cute packaging. I think this is the travel size version. It is the mini size and it is absolutely amazing. This mascara is too good and you should definitely give this a try. Now I also got two concealers. The first one is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and this is in the shade Caramel. And I love this concealer. I think Maybelline concealers are one of the best concealers. And the next concealer that I bought is the MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer and this is in the shade NC42. I love the concealer. It gives a very good coverage, and one thing that I noticed is that you have to work very quickly when you apply this concealer because it sets very quickly. It is a very good concealer. It gives a very good coverage and lasts for a pretty long time too. Next I got the MAC lip pencil. This is in the shade Spice and I really wanted to buy this lip pencil from such a long time, and finally I got my hands on it. And I love this nude brown shade. It looks absolutely amazing on medium to dark skin tones, and I love MAC lip pencils. They are of very good quality. They last amazingly and the color payoff is amazing. I'm very happy with this purchase. And then I got two mini size lipsticks from MAC. The first one is in the shade Relentlessly Red and the second was in the shade Ruby Woo, the classic Ruby Woo. Let me show you. So this is the shade Ruby Woo. This is the most sold out lipstick from MAC and I really love this shade. This is an amazing red shade and suitable for all complexions. The second shade is Relentlessly Red and this is more of a pinkish color rather than a red color. I don't know why they have named it red, but this is an absolutely pretty pink color and I love this shade. And with that I got a free product, that is a MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish and this is in the shade Beaming Blush, and I love this highlighter. It looks gorgeous on the skin and I can't wait to try this on my face and see how it feels. This is what the product looks like and it looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, this is the next thing that I got from MAC. The next product that I purchased is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and this is the mini version and this is what the pencil looks like. And so far I've used this pencil 2-3 times and I love this pencil a lot and it gives me very defined brows. I think I have fallen in love with this brow pencil. And I also purchased a kajal pencil from the brand Colorba and this is called the Colorba All-Rounder Pencil and this is in the shade Rich Ruby. I love this kajal and it is very smooth, creamy, glides easily on my waterline, and this also tends to break if you apply a little bit extra pressure, and that is quite disheartening if because the kajal gets wasted when it breaks off from the tip. But this is a wonderful kajal and I've applied this kajal on my waterline today and I'm in love with this shade Rich Ruby. And Colorba is a brand that does one of the best kajals and I love this product also, and this was on a very good offer. I don't remember how much discount I got, but this was on a pretty good discount, I think 20 to 25%, and I love this purchase of mine. I totally recommend this kajal to all of you. The other mascara that I received from MAC is the MAC Extended Play Perm Up Lash Mascara and this is the packaging. I think the packaging of the mascara is really amazing and the blue color packaging looks absolutely pretty, and this is a good mascara. It does not give a lot of volume to your eyelashes but it does lengthen your lashes, and I love this mascara. This is in the washable variant so it is very easy to remove this mascara. The next mascara that I purchased is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and Maybelline does one of the best mascaras, so I really wanted to purchase this Lash Sensational Mascara during the sale, and this is a very good mascara. It gives volume, it lengthens. This is a very affordable mascara, yet it gives amazing results to your eyelashes. I also purchased two eyeliners. Both are from Lakme. The first one is the Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner, and I love this eyeliner because it is very easy to draw a precise eyeliner with this Lakme Absolute eyeliner, and I love the pigmentation as well. And this is a washable eyeliner so it's very easy to remove. The next eyeliner that I've got is a Lakme Iconic Liner Pen, and this is what the eyeliner looks like. I've also purchased the Innisfree My Lip Balm, and this is what the lip balm looks from inside. This looks so pretty. I mean, the packaging is absolutely amazing, and this is in the shade 10 Ruby Grapefruit Tea. This gives a sort of pinkish tint on your lips, and if you like tinted lip balms, then you can definitely give this a try. It keeps your lips moisturized for a pretty good amount of time. I love this lip balm, and it leaves behind a pinkish tint on your lips, which I don't mind. I love tinted lip balms. So yeah, this is my next purchase. I also purchased 2 eyelashes from the brand Pack. This is in the variant Pack 58 and the other one is Pack 53. I love both the eyelashes, and I think Pack eyelashes are one of the best eyelashes in the affordable category. The eyelashes are very lightweight and they give a lot of volume, lift, and they look amazing on the eyes. I love the Pack eyelashes and I highly recommend these eyelashes to all of you. I also purchased the Plum Goodness E-Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm, and this is supposed to remove makeup from your face. You have to just scoop out a little bit of the cleansing balm, and it also comes with a spatula, so it's very hygienic. You can just scoop out a little bit of the balm, and then you have to massage your face with this cleansing balm. It removes all traces of makeup from your face. This was also on offer, so I purchased it, and this is quite an affordable product. Next, I purchased 4 nail polishes from the brand K Beauty, and these are the 4 shades that I've got from the brand K Beauty. These were also on a very good offer, so I thought of giving these a try, and the colors are absolutely pretty. They look amazing on your nails and they last for 4 to 5 days easily without chipping off. The first one is in the shade Bittersweet. The second one is in the shade Crimson Hue. This is a beautiful red color, and the third one is in the shade Flamingo, and the fourth one is in the shade Angelic. I also purchased the nail polish remover. This one is by Masaba, and so far it has done a very good job in removing the nail polish, and this is a very good nail polish remover in a budget, so I think you should definitely give this a try. I also purchased a foundation brush. This is by the brand Wet n Wild, and this was on a very good offer. It was for I think 40 to 50% off. It retails for rupees 899, but I got it on offer, so I'm very excited to try this brush, and this looks very soft. I'm really looking forward to try this makeup brush. So yeah, these were all the products that I purchased from Nykaa. Apart from Nykaa Pink Sale, I also purchased some skincare products. I purchased 3 products from Sugandha. The first product that I got is the Sugandha Rose Hip Moisturizer, and this is a very good moisturizer for normal to combination skin, and I really like this moisturizer. It is on the costlier side, but it has good results on your skin. Next, I purchased the Sugandha AHA serum, and this has got 10% lactic acid and gotu kola and green tea, and this is a very good serum. If you are facing hyperpigmentation problem, then this is a very good serum for your face. And I also purchased the Sugandha Pure Squalene. I like to mix 2 to 3 drops of this Pure Squalene with my Rose Moisturizer, and then I apply it all over my face. It gives a glow to your face. I have tried out all these 3 products, and I'm going to review them soon, and I'll tell you about my thoughts on each of these products in detail in a separate video. I also purchased a few products from the brand Juicy Chemistry, and let me share with you what I've got from Juicy Chemistry. The first product is the Juicy Chemistry Hemp Tea Tree and Neem Face Wash, and this is an amazing face wash, and this is so mild on your face, and yet it is very effective in removing all the traces of dirt, dust, even residual makeup. And I love this neem face wash by Juicy Chemistry, and this is my absolute favorite face washes at the moment. And the next product is the Juicy Chemistry Fig Maple and Damask Rose Natural Makeup Cleanser, and it is suitable for all skin types. What I love about the Juicy Chemistry products is that they are paraben free and sulfate free. They are 100% natural. This is a very good makeup remover, and you're supposed to use it with a cotton ball, or you can directly apply it on your face and massage it and remove your makeup. What I like to do is I apply a few drops of this makeup cleanser onto a cotton ball, and then I wipe my makeup. I also purchased the Damask Rose and Coffee Organic Under Eye Cream. I love the eye cream by the brand Juicy Chemistry. It is so lightweight and it moisturizes and hydrates your under eye area perfectly. It is an amazing product for the delicate under eye area, and I love using this eye cream every single night before going to sleep, and I really love this eye cream. Next, I purchased the Juicy Chemistry Tuscany Lemon and Green Tea Organic Lip Scrub. This is an amazing lip scrub, and you just require a tiny amount of this lip scrub, and it exfoliates and it gives you a very smooth and soft pink lips after you scrub your lips with this lip scrub. I love this lip scrub. I'm in love with all the products from Juicy Chemistry. I think Juicy Chemistry is a brand which you should definitely try. All the products definitely give good results. Last product that I purchased is the Blood Orange and Rosehip Lip Balm. This is quite lightweight. It is slightly yellowish in color and it moisturizes your lips perfectly well. And this is not a very heavy lip balm. It is slightly on the thinner side, but it moisturizes your lips very well. So these are all the skincare and makeup products that I purchased, and I'm very happy with my purchase, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.